Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you add your work on your Google Chrome. All you have to do, just go up, you click here on this sign on app, and it's going to show for you list like this, and you click here on settings, and it's going to take here in this window that you click here on sync, and it's going to take you to this window, and you just go down, you click here on Google activity controls, and it's going to take you to next step here, and all you have to do, just go down here, and you click here on say all activity controls here. Then it's going to take you to the next step here, so you just go down here and you click here on go to your Google account, and it's going to take you to the next step here, and you just choose here so email you want to go in, and it's going to take you here, you go up, you click here on personal info, and it's going to take you to next step here, and you go down, and all you have to do now, so just come here to work, you will click here, and here add your address or work address, and you click here on save, and it's going to add video on your Google Chrome. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.